Nobody's talking about this. But these Afro girl designs are making people money every single day. And you can literally do it too. Let me show you how to make your first $100. Hey friends, are you ready to turn your creativity into cash? Mother's Day is near and we want to make some great gifts for them. So your customers, they're ready to buy your custom items. So are you going to hurry up and make the items because they're looking for you? You should be already having them made. They should already be on the market. They should be out there. You should be promoting them. All of that right now, like now. But anywho, today I'm going to show you how to transform simple AI prompts into a passive income stream. We're aiming for $100 a day. Now you may think that sounds crazy, but it's not. All you have to do is just design it. And you don't have to be a design pro either, because all you need is to create it once and just sell it forever. It's a business model that brings in consistent daily revenue. Like, seriously. This isn't just a side hustle. It's about building real financial freedom. And it just starts with these little designs here. And you just take them and create them any way that you can. Remember, I've showed you plenty of ways to make money with them. You can put them on journals. You can put them on tumblers. You can put them on bookmarks. You can make the magnetic bookmarks. There's endless things, t-shirts, endless ways to make these things. I'm going to show you in the next clip how like you can make it and how it can really generate and bring in some money. And you don't even have to limit yourself there. You can just create them and then sell the designs, or you can create them and sell them as UV DTF stickers, or you can create them and make them regular stickers. Like, people like to put them in journals and their calendars, all kinds of things. They can be digital stickers. People like to do the digital calendars. It's so many different things. So there's no excuses at all. So I thought this was cute. And I'm going to give you this here. But I also have in the description below a link for you to go ahead and get the prompt guide for these. Let me see here. For these designs here, you're going to get 36 of them. All these different ones right here. I even did some with gray hair. I thought this came out so cute. So I'm going to give you the prompt for these, and you get the PNG designs as well. So you can take them and use them however you like. So I'm giving you all of these. You're going to get these as long as the prompt guide. And I have something for you as a bonus that I'm telling you different ways of how to sell these, where to sell them, and even giving you price points. That's all going to be when you go ahead and purchase this bundle. So I'm just go ahead and let you know. So right here is this prompt, a stunning digital airbrush. Go ahead and pause it for a minute so you can write this down, because this one is not in your prompt guide. This was something that I just went ahead and did with this video. And with that, we got her. You can take it and you can always switch it up. So let me show you how you can switch up these designs. I'm just going to copy here. I'm going to paste it. I got to copy it again. I clicked the wrong letter. There we go. And if you want to say, I had her in a jean jumper. So let's see. We want to, okay, denim style romper. So we want her in a stylish, we're going to say summer dress, because today feel like summer here in New Jersey. And then we are going to, let's see, do we want to change her hair color? She has glowing brown skin, large deep black. We're going to say deep brown with black highlights. How about that? Let's just see how it comes out. And we're going to say, yep, we're going to leave it like that to see what it does. And while that's going, I'm going to also take this and I'm going to go to Google Gemini. And I'm going to see what it does here. Now, it created this. It's okay. I mean, let me see. It's all right. I mean, it's not the best, but it'll do. It was okay. So we just want to see what this create versus what ChatGPT does. I switch between the two because they both give different designs. So that's another tip. So when you do your designs, you're just gonna you can flip back and forth to do whichever ones you like the best. Okay, so this is what Gemini gave us. Not bad. It's cute. I don't know what summer dress this is, but it's cute. It did what we asked in terms of the brown and black. I love it, and I love everything. I love everything about it. It's cute. All right, so I'm sure we're still waiting for ChatGPT, but let's see what we do. But I'm telling you, don't forget to go ahead and get your bundle down below because you're not gonna want to miss what's in it. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Oh, this is cute, guys. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you like this? This is cute. You know what, guys? I'm gonna get ahead. I'm gonna add this to the bundle in Gumroad. So just click the link below and you'll get all of these. But let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I think it's super cute. It will look so cute on a journal, on a tumbler, on stickers, whatever you make, whatever you design. Oh, let's not forget about mouse pads, guys. People still use mouse pads. So don't forget about the mouse pads. You can still use those. Juneteenth is coming up also. Let's create some Juneteenth designs. It's endless. Everything you can do, it's endless, guys. Endless. So, excuse my hair, y'all. It's been warm and hot lately, and I'm just like, you know what? I'm not letting my hair down, not trying to, and I just wanted to get this video done, and I'm like, it's hot. So I put my hair up so it looks a little whatever, but it's still good. It's not stopping me from doing this video. But let's get to how we're going to make this $100 a day. Now, for me, I made these journals here. And if you remember before, in the videos I had before, these are UV DTF stickers. And you put them on journals. I bought these journals off of Amazon. I'll put the link below for the journals for the Amazon. I think you get about 10. I think they give you about 10. The price is reasonable. You want to get these. I went to pop-up shops and I was selling these at $25 a piece. When I tell you people were buying them, some people was buying them like 2 and 3 at a time. Everybody loves journals. That's what I was getting. Everybody loves journals. They was buying them whether they had words or not. They were selling. And then I did one like this because you had men who wanted to buy the journals as well. And they're like, hey, I can't relate to this. So you want to be able to do this, and you want to be able to have a universal, because then I went to another one that had a different market. I was still able to sell these, and I did some without the pictures, and it doesn't matter the nationality. They're going to buy the journals. When I say 25, so I had to make sure that I had stock. So I had at least 30 or more of these journals on hand, because when I tell you, they sell. And even at $25, they were buying. So you don't want to don't let the price limit you, because they're going to buy them. They love them. Journals. You want to make some for kids too. You can do the little Afro for the little kids, the little girls, because they love them. No matter what the color of the journal was, if it was a cute design, they loved it. So honestly, these sell. So you want to be able to, you want to you want to get this, okay? You want to do this. You want to do this. And I will also tell you that make them versatile. Make them for men, women, children, teachers, nurses. You can do it all, because they all love them. And if you can, make pens or get pens with it as well. Or you can sell the pens separately. I just do the journals. And I package them in this. I can also link this in the Amazon as well. But I put them in this when they buy it. And I just put them in a gift bag. Cute color gift bag. Sometimes not. And What you also do is, because people also like stickers, so what you want to do is turn these into stickers also. You can give them as a thank you, or you can sell those too. Now, what I was selling also, along with the journals, were magnetic bookmarks. I did a video on making magnetic bookmarks. I was selling those for about $5 to $7 each, and they was buying them as well. They thought it was cute, unique, and they bought it. And I say, hey, you can use them to put right along with your journal. So they were selling as well. So plenty of different ways. Magnetic bookmarks, mugs, tumblers, have it all. Do it as a whole bundle, where you might have one like this, be unstoppable, and they like it and they want to go ahead and buy it. I will also put some pictures in the link. I mean, not in the link, but in the videos, also showing some other things I did with the little tumblers that they sell at Michael's, little mini tumblers. Oh my goodness. People was going crazy over those. They were like, what is that? What can I use for this? I gotta have it. Whether they drink or not, they were like, I had to have it. I was selling those for $7. The little minis was $7 and the bigger ones for $10. Little mini tumblers. I'm telling you, I got them from Michael's. Put these on there, or put unstoppable on there, or be unstoppable. I'm telling you right now, they're gonna buy it. I kept getting stopped every time. What is that? That is so cute. That's so cute. They were even buying for the kids. One guy bought 2 for his kids. He was like, I don't know. I just want to buy it. I thought it was so cute. Listen, don't sleep on these things. Do not sleep on these PNG things. They can make you some money, honey. So even if you don't do pop-up shops, put them on your store. Put them on Etsy. Put the little mini tumblers on Etsy. Put them on your stores. Whatever you sell. PayHip, Stand Store, wherever. Beacons, wherever. TikTok shop. Hint, hint. TikTok shop. Sell them. I'm telling you, there's no reason you shouldn't be making money every day. Money every day. I'm telling y'all, I'm preaching to y'all right now. Take my advice. Take it. Do this. Do different things with it, y'all. Come on. You have Mother's Day coming up. You have Teacher Appreciation Week coming up. You have Nurses Week, Appreciation Week coming up. It's unstoppable. Graduations coming up. Journals. Hello, these kids, they're going to be going to college. They need something to write in and journal. Let them write their experience. Come on now. Make it a whole little bundle. Graduation kit. Come on. I'm telling you. Graduation party. Oh, you want a graduation cup. You want the bag chips. Come on, y'all. I'm telling you different ways to make that money. Come on, you can go ahead and make that $100 a day. I'm telling you right now. Join my community. Let's get this together. Let's make this money together. Let me keep telling you, showing you. I'm telling you right now. Right now, this is a big hit. Mother's Day is coming up. Find some cute little sayings. Do your UV DTF. Do it. Make some t-shirts too along with it. I'm telling you, there's so many different things, so different many ways to make money. Just letting you know. Okay? So, if you love this video, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, comment below. If you have any questions, comment below. Just let me know. How did you feel about the video? I just want to know. I'm curious. I want to know. And you doing that helps me know what you like, and then I know what type of videos to continue to make. All right? So as always, thank you all so much. I appreciate you all coming to my channel. I hope this video was very helpful. And until next time, bye-bye.